Hey guys, I'm excited to show you this 10-inch Wi-Fi enabled display photo screen. So I'm going to open this up. It's by the brand Kodak. You're just going to download their app in order to use it. It connects really easily from your phone. So I'm going to open this up, show you everything that it comes with. I think you'll be really pleased with this. Okay, so I have to still plug this in to show you some more details about it, but you can see the display screen itself, very good quality frame around it, really nice looking. So of course this here is what you're going to plug in to start using it. You want to make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection because it connects to an app, and it has a ton of storage space. You can put up to 40,000 photos on the app and display it on the screen. That's really impressive. Digital, comes with everything that you need. Of course, we've got the power cord, and if you have any problems, they have great customer service as well. So we're going to look through this user manual, figure out how it works, download that app, and then I'll show you how this display screen works.